Hi, my name is Sir Weish. Today I will show you how you can generate complex sorting and searching programs completely using AI integrated into VS Code. So let's start. In previous videos I have shown how to install AI in VS Code and how to generate sorting algorithm program using AI. Now we will generate a searching program and combine searching and sorting program together. Let's generate linear search program with array elements taken from user in runtime. This is the generated code. Copy this code and paste into a new file. Run this code using the Run button. In order to show that this code is functioning correctly, I have added print statements to print the input array and element entered to search. Now let's run this code and give random integers separated by space between them, and we will put 55 anywhere in array. We will use 55 as search element to test the code. Here the output is generated, and result shows that 55 is present at index number 5. As index values start from 0, we can manually count the indexes and check the result. So here you can pause the video and can check the result yourself. Now let's combine bubble sort and linear search to make a complete sorting and searching program. To add bubble sort program in this available code, we can copy the code and paste it into prompt box, and give the prompt. Convert this program and add bubble sort code to it. The new code will comprise of bubble sort code added to the existing program. Copy-paste this code and run the code. We might need to check for indentation errors in some lines. We will again give integers separated by space in random way, and give any test case integer anywhere in the array. Here I will use 25 as test case. It is important to give values both greater and smaller than test case, so that the result can be checked correctly. Here, as we can see, the output is generated, and the output shows the entered array, search element, sorted array, and index number of search element in sorted array. The index value indicated for search element is 3. We can manually check this by counting the indexes. In next video I will show you how we can generate graphs using AI and generate useful insight into many different fields. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and share this video with your other techie friends.